play, buddy.
Hi, Bear.
I'm gonna go take.
Can you say hi?
Take a shower, and then I'm gonna go outside and work again.
Can you say hi, Katie? Katie. Kate. Katie, Kate. Okie dokie, there she goes. Hi, Jack. Jack, let's come a little closer to you.
Hi.
Can you say, come home, Lily, we miss you. Don't put that on your head, please.
Come on, Lily. We miss you.
Do you want to sing her a song or anything?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Oh, that was cute, buddy. Too bad it's not her birthday. Kate, are you going to say anything, or are you just going to play and record your... Oh, okay. And then what happened? No? Okay, fine.